Come on, get over there. You are covered. Oh, I hear a little micro squeaks.
Oh.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Do we see this? I have everybody.
There, give me.
Can we move this way?
Oh, you almost sat on one.
No, I saw where she was.
Yeah, okay. Go on.
Sherman's trying to get away from the girls. It isn't working.
No, it's not. Sherman looks like a little demon. You want to come over here now? Oh, man.
Did you find me?
I got